towards the main train station right now, trying to get the night train.
We're going to sleep on a train. And we're in a taxi.
Getting there. We need to get there. We're up there.
And the scheme of how much it should cost based on the distance.
It's actually really cheap to get a taxi.
Yeah, we're going like what? How many kilometers?
Not exactly sure, but something like 5 maybe.
Yeah, 5. Well, that should be 57 baht then.
Maybe more actually. So.
Yeah.
Bye. We're going with that train right there.
A Danish sandwich
in Thailand. This is amazing. So Philip is trying this 7-Eleven sandwich.
Oh, it's hot actually.
Try it.
Not bad.
I'll be having some yogurt. Going back into the train station. Our train is here. We were promised aircon, we got fans.
Yeah.
I guess that's the perils of going to tourist...
Yeah. Don't ever go to the tourist office. That's just, you know, shit.
That's a scam. It's dripping in through the windows. Koh Tao, here we come.
So it's time to sleep on the train.
Yeah, weather has taken a turn for the worse. It's now thundering and raining outside. Philip, welcome to Bangkok.
Thank you. The weather is horrible, but it's actually not as bad as I expected.
Do you look forward to the boat trip?
I look forward to after the boat trip.
Made the boat. Just got off the bus and this is the weather. Okay. Thank you. This is getting fun now. Come on, more big waves, go. This is like impossible to walk. Wanna go?
So we just arrived in Koh Tao, and as you can see the weather is quite horrible. We had the roughest boat ever.
It was way too bumpy and way too many highways and it took way too long.
Yeah, and a lot of people got seasick as well. I was fine though.
Yeah. There. Really close. Okay, thank you. Welcome to sunny Koh Tao.
Thank you, and welcome.
This is an insane amount of rain. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but it's just pouring down.
Okay,
We've got quite a few kilometers to go. How do you feel about it?
a few kilometers.
I'm getting so much water in my eyes I can't see anything. So the rain finally stopped and we're now going down the main road here on Koh Tao towards our hostel.
Yeah.
Philip here decided that he didn't want to wear his shirt so it didn't get wet, so he's going
Yeah, I didn't want a wet shirt, but now it doesn't matter.
now he just looks like he's been to the beach.
Exactly.
In the rain. I'm currently walking down towards 7-Eleven to check how the prices are compared to 7-Elevens in Bangkok. Stuff is so much more expensive here on Koh Tao. Water, which is usually about 13 or so baht in Bangkok, is 20 here. So we've arrived on Koh Tao now, and we've also checked into our hostel over here. It's really beautiful. You can see the mountain up there, and there's a mountain behind us as well. Koh Tao is quite popular among a lot of people. A lot of people come here to take their diving license, which we might do. And it's also popular for just being slightly chilled, but also having some party vibes in it.